Hey my loves, Sundown Hair coming to you with another video sponsored by Alipearl Hair. I have used them quite a few times here on my channel, so I'm going to leave our previous videos in the description box below, as well as all of the information that you need to order your hair from this company. But as you can see at the beginning of this video, this is a full frontal wig, but look at this hair. The shine, the luster is like no other, honey. I am not just blowing smoke. You will see it for yourself, like with little to almost no effort. This is going to be a quick and easy application, but this hair is so beautiful and it keeps its luster and its shine even after it's colored, chemically processed, heat added, all of that stuff. This hair is absolutely beautiful, you guys, so make sure you go ahead and check them out. All information is going to be left in the description box below, so let's get into it. In this video, we're going to be doing a quick, very fitted wig, okay? Sometimes I get emails from you guys saying that even with making your own wigs at home, you still can't make them fitted. And some of you were saying that you can't find the dome caps. So in this video, I decided to go ahead and just use the things that the company sends you, because they sent this wig cap as well as a nude cap. So this frontal is not the frontal that they sent in the package. However, like I said, I've used them before, and in a previous video I did a color job on their hair, and so in this video we're going to go ahead and use the frontal. This is all Alipearl Hair, and as you can see, the frontal lays like flesh, honey. But I have made 50 kabillion videos on how to sew in hair extensions and how to make wigs. So once again, check my channel and my playlist that I'm gonna leave somewhere up here in the upper right hand corner, you guys. Make sure you go ahead and check those videos if you need a step-by-step breakdown of how I make wigs. But in this case, like I said, I'm using this cap because this cap is going to fit like a glove, you guys. I'm not going to talk you all the way through this video, love, because it is very self-explanatory. So once again, check all of the information in the description box below to order this hair from this company, you guys, along with, you know, the lengths and everything that I'm using in this video. The only thing you won't find there is the length of the frontal. The length of the frontal is 18 inches long, which is longer than everything else, but you're going to see that with slide cutting, it's like it never happened. I know people are going to be like, oh my god, the hair is black and you know she's not going to color it. Listen, the hair is going to blend with absolute ease, okay? Just stick around and keep on watching, you guys. And you know, right here I'm just doing a short little display on how I flip over my wefts. Normally I just take the first one and I flip that one over and sew through that, and then I go ahead with the second one, you guys. So this is just simply showing how I flip my wefts, because I don't like to cut the wefts ever, and a lot of people are scared to flip wefts whenever they're doing you know, wigs and stuff, because they think it'll make it lumpy. But you guys just rewind this part, watch it a couple times, and you'll see that you don't have to cut. You can flip it, girl, okay? So yeah, you guys keep on watching, and I will be back at the very end and say bye, girl. But keep watching now, girl.
I saw you, I knew all the time. It was something in the air that night, and in the way you looked at me. I get nervous when you get close, and my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Instead of keeping it all inside. So hard with you, I don't know why. Believe me, boy, I've tried. When you're near me, my heart fills up with butterflies. And then you leave me speechless. My world turned upside down. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart, don't break it now. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one I've got. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Don't break my heart. Just say that you won't go and break my heart. Break my heart. Don't break my heart. Remember, it's the only one I've got. The one
at this point I've already put the wig on, and as you can see I put it on with ease. I did go ahead and attach an elastic band to the sides like normal. I'm not doing it any different from all of the 50 kabillion videos that are already on there. But once I put that band on, listen, I haven't had to do anything. I'm showing you guys this is with little to no effort. After I curled with the flexi rods, I'm literally just putting this on, and then I'm using like the equivalent to a wax stick to smooth everything out and to get all of the flyaways, and that is it. As you can see, this hair is so beautiful, and I mean you can tell the difference from the black to the other color, but barely. It looks like we did partial highlights on purpose, you guys. So I really hope you guys like this video. If you found it informative, you know, do me a favor and right now in the comments let me know your favorite part about the video and what you need help with more. You guys, don't just be being weird, girl, okay? If you're gonna watch the video, girl, say something, girl, after you watch it, girl, okay? But this is it, you know. I am so in love with this hair, but I wanted to show you guys something really quick, fast, and in a hurry that you can do, because you don't always feel like having the wig on indefinitely. Sometimes you just want to be able to walk through the door, girl, when you get done working and when you get done being cute and stuff, girl, on your date night, and you could just snatch that bad boy off and put it on your mannequin stand. You see how my mannequin stand is smooth right there behind me because there is the plan. But right there you can see, I don't know, I got a little annoyed because I didn't make my layers perfection, complete and total perfection. But down the line, when I actually do plan on like wearing this out, I will do that. But you can see this wig fits like flesh. You can move it, and when I moved it, like without doing anything, it literally melts like automatically. There's no gel, no edge control, no nothing. This wig fits like a glove. So you guys, make sure you try this out. But obviously if you move it, you'll have to restyle it. Just like at this point I should probably restyle it, but don't nobody got time for that, girl. I literally made this video for y'all so y'all can see how bomb this hair is, you know, and it needs to be styled and stuff. I don't have time for that though. I'm about to snatch this off. If you're not doing so already, girl, make sure you subscribe to the channel, girl, and click that bell notification, girl. Okay? Bye, girl. I don't know what to tell you. Don't judge me. Judge yourself.